about the artificial intelligence. So today in this podcast, we are going to discuss about the advantages and the disadvantages, the loopholes of the AI, and what revolutionary act can AI do in our daily lives. Okay.
Thank you, Abhi, for giving me this chance to be in your podcast. Well, artificial intelligence holds numerous advantages across various domains, revolutionizing industries and enhancing everyday life. One significant advantage lies in its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data with unpredicted speeds and effects. This capability empowers AI systems to derive valuable insights, optimize decision-making processes, and contribute to advantages in diverse fields. In healthcare, AI has the potential to revolutionize diagnostics and treatment planning. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images, detect patterns, and identify the potential health issues at an early stage. This not only accelerates the diagnostic process but also improves the accuracy of assessment, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes. So, well, I mean, what is your thought about it?
Yeah, thank you for your knowledge and sharing your information. I hope you have done a very research works for coming into this podcast. So yeah, the points you mentioned are absolutely correct. And my overview on my opinion is that AI has changed the entire world system. Because before that, we all do the things, means collecting information from Google and other websites. But after the introduction of AI, okay, it is easy for each and every person to get all the information in a detailed way, and this helps everyone, every student, every teachers, everyone in our daily lives. We meet almost the version of AI is 2.5 and 4.5 is coming. I hope you have got the information because you have done a lot of research on this, right? So that's the thing. And this AI is as well as good for everything, and it has several uses. Because the main thing is when we learn the AI or when we use the ChatGPT, when the students are using the ChatGPT, they are not using their own intelligence, the human intelligence. They are only using the artificial intelligence, which is not good for at all. I am giving an example. When a teacher says to a student that write an essay or write a paragraph, now the students not even using any other things, just using the ChatGPT, not using their human intelligence and just copying it. Where after that, they cannot recall all of the things, or they are losing their ability to write a whole paragraph or an essay, which are okay. So we are coming on to this points about the disadvantages of the right? So a group has already say about the advantages of the AI or the ChatGPT, what they can say. So please elaborate the advantages, because I want to know more about the advantages, and our viewers also want to know. So
moreover, AI facilitates the personalized experiences in industries such as the e-commerce and healthcare. Recommendation systems powered by its AI algorithms analyze user behavior and preferences, providing fair suggestions and controls. Now, this is not only enhances user satisfaction but also contributes to increasing engagement and revenue sources. So, you guys say what's about the disadvantages?
okay, absolutely. So the advantages for it are what I say.
So, I mean, now you guys say what's about the disadvantages of AI?
Yeah, this is the most important part, right? Most important part. Because we have already know about the advantages of the AI, as you already mentioned, but the disadvantages are more than the advantages. The main points are the security system will be entirely collapsed if it is used by wrong person, right? Because there is no safety in our modern generation. Everyone uses social media, Facebook, Instagram. Everyone shares their posts with the world. They do daily in here. So, with the help of AI, the images can be depicted another way. It can be transformed to another way which was not real. As we are saying that the pics or videos of the what I say that announced persons or the eminent persons like Vladimir Putin from Russia and the American president and these superstars, the cricketers. So it is harmful for each and everyone, right? And the main thing is the blackmailing by these pics. This is creating a devastating, what I say, incidents, and also the police or no one can help it because of this AI. It's not only used by several persons; it is used by all of the world. It can be used in good ways. It can also be used in bad ways.
So, Amir, what is your opinion about how can it be more useful for us?
Okay. So basically, as I was already mentioned that it can be used in a very good way because we don't get enough information from the Google or any other websites like Chrome or the browsers, the Brave. It is impossible to get. AI gives us that information. If we use the guy wisely, it can be helpful for each and everyone, right? So the more poets were coming down, they can use for the they can use as a dictionary. They can get the huge number of words. Okay. So in that way, if it is used and not in that way that it should be blackmailed by bad things or converting images, right? Or it is not practice now for the students which I am going to mention that the copying of everything. So if everything you are going to copy now, so what is the need of your own brain or your own intelligence? So you are forgetting everything or you are not capable of writing anything in the future. It will be a problem for you when you are going to get any job now. You cannot do that types of things. Or if your boss orders you to make a PPT and to say about this PPT by your own way, you cannot even write or you cannot even say that. So you have to understand, if you are a good wise person, you will use that in wise way. Right? It should be used by all. It is necessary to use by all, but not in a bad way. It is my opinion. Okay? Please continue this.
So, in conclusion, I would like to say that the advantages of AI are vast and impactful, ranging from improved healthcare and personalized experience to increase the efficiency and enhance the safety in various industries. While maximizing these benefits, it is crucial to navigate the ethical challenges to ensure a harmonious integration of AI into our societies.
So I want to say something that however it is essential to knowledge or acknowledge the address the ethical considerations associated with AI, the privacy concerns for biased algorithms and politicals for job displacements require careful consideration and regulation to ensure the responsible and equitable development of AI technologies, right? So the only thing and the only reason of the podcast to say our viewers to not to do some such kind of things which are not good for our society. We are all going to live in a society. So a complete peace and we are not going to do that much of things that are not good for our society. So I will say that it's a criminal offense if you do such kind of bad things with others. Now it will harm their mental peace, it will ruin their lives. Many suicides are committed due to this type of things. Right? Every day the police complaints are done by the other colleagues. Right? So it is not a good thing actually. So we are concluding this, we are wrapping up this. So I hope that all of you would enjoy our podcast and I hope the video is informative or it will help you in some ways if you listen everything and you will do the works according to our words. Okay. So thank you for your part.